Hi everyone, I'm Pekka, based in Helsinki, Finland, and I'm super excited to be here to introduce you the Kahoot learning experience model. And at the same time, we are going to have a live demo of Kahootopia and one of our new and highly requested game modes, accuracy mode that Lavinia already mentioned before. So as you can see, we are on, I'm logged in Kahoot account, and we are on the home page. And I'm gonna select Kahootopia. And then I'm gonna choose EDU Summit Island that I've created earlier before. Lavinia already told you a lot about Kahootopia, what it is, and now you are going to see it in live action. I have already developed the island a bit for you to see how it can look when your class or group of students has already earned collective rewards by playing Kahoots. Now we are going to play a Kahoot together and earn collective rewards and collect those after the Kahoot. So I'm gonna select the start new game, and then I'm gonna select accuracy mode, and gonna choose this Kahoot for us. The topic will be, of course, learning experience. And then let's start. So the game pin is 2023700, and you can also use this QR code to access the game. And if you don't want to play the Kahoot, it's totally fine. You can just watch and learn from the side. And we already have 140 players and counting. So this mode, as Lavinia earlier explained, is accuracy mode. It's a new game mode. Only correct answers are the things that matter. So remember, you don't get any extra point for being fast. So no rush, take your time and try to answer each question correctly. I'm gonna also check the settings. So I'm gonna showing the questions and answers on your device, and also we have characters here. So you can choose, you can modify your characters, and we are hitting now 300 players. Just few more seconds, and then we will go. Here is also one thing I'm showing you. So if you want to lock your game, so if you want that no students can enter the game after you have started it, you can also lock it. And we are actually, for being sure that this is a stable one, and we will lock it in 5 seconds. So 5 more seconds, you can join the game, and then I'm gonna lock it and let's start. And here's once more, remember that no bonus point for speed. So this is Kahoot learning experience, and the first one that we are going to check is not a question yet. This is a slide about the Kahoot learning experience and what it is. So it's a model that explains when and how to use Kahoot and its different tools effectively. As you already know, Kahoot is an all-in-one teaching toolkit that can be used easily and quickly in all different phases of the teaching process. Our learning experience model that you can see the image here right now, it has 6 sections. It starts with efficient preparation. Then there is impactful instruction, playful practice, memorable review, effective assessment. And the last one is group achievement. And we are going to deep dive into each of these in this Kahoot game. And we will have our first question next. So what is the Kahoot AI generator best used for? You can try to guess. Is it best used for efficient preparation, or impactful instruction, or playful practice, or effective assessment? Let's see. And this Kahoot AI generator and all the Kahoot AI features Lavinia already showed you. Yes, most of you got it right. It is indeed for time-saving, efficient preparation. And now we see here everyone who got the answer correctly. So in this accuracy mode, there is no scoreboard or leaderboard showing participants who answered the quickest and got the most points. Instead, all of you that got this right will see you here equally, and it's showing you equally. So the speed doesn't not count in this accuracy mode. And great, we had so many right answers here. So Kahoot is a great tool to create engaging learning experiences fast and easily. We have several features that save teachers valuable time. Some to mention are AI generator, slide import and slide sync, and high quality, ready to play content from our partners and verified educators. Did you know that we have over 100 million ready to play Kahoots on our platform for choose from? Next, we have impactful instruction. Kahoot is a powerful tool for this, especially when used as an interactive presentation tool or when educators are facilitating classroom discussions with Kahoot. We have, for example, the lecture mode that Liz showed you earlier. We have accuracy mode that we are testing right now together. And we have multiple different question types for engagement or testing knowledge or formative assessment. And then we have team mode or collaborative game modes for boosting future-ready skills. So let's take our next question. And this is a type answer question. Which part of the Kahoot learning experience does Kahoot's self-study tools support? So Lavinia already showed you a few of the self-study tools, and you can use this image to support your answer. So type your answer and then press submit. So don't forget to press submit after you have answered. 3 more seconds, 2, 1, and let's check the answers. So playful practice is, of course, the correct answer. And I think yes, we have, let's see, the others, assessment, play tool. So I think here is all the correct answers. So let's see how many of you got it right. We have 14 right answers. And yet again, here we see all the ones who got this one right. So with Kahoot, you can unleash the power of play in learning. We have flashcards, practice mode, and other self-study tools. Educators can assign student-based challenges during lessons or lectures or for homework. And as Lauren already mentioned earlier, you can also let your students to create and host their own Kahoots for their peers. And these are only a few samples that our tools can be used and what the students can do to explore and learning content. One of Kahoot's strengths is the instant and automated feedback it gives to students. We all know that instant feedback is a crucial element in learning. And when it's automated, it doesn't take teachers valuable time at all. With Kahoot, you are also able to differentiate learning by assigning personalized Kahoots to students according to their needs. Remember to use the AI generator for creating those easily and quickly. And one option is to use Kahoot quiz as an exit ticket at the end of the lesson to see if the main topics of the lessons were understood. This is something that Liz also mentioned also earlier. So for effective assessment, we have advanced reporting tool that can be used for capturing useful information from students' learning. Kahoot can be used for assessment from quick pulse checks to formative assessment and for tracking the progress or even attendance. It also helps educators to give feedback or targeting instructions to all students. And next, let's take another question. Which part of the Kahoot learning experience does Kahootopia Time Machine support? So Lavinia also mentioned earlier something about Kahootopia and Kahootopia Time Machine. So try to guess what it is for. And yes, most of you got this right again. So it is for group achievement. So with Kahoot and Kahootopia, you are able to celebrate success together with your whole class. In a few minutes, we are going to see together how our island is growing after finishing this Kahoot right here, what we are playing. And now, our last question is a drop pin. At which stage of the teaching and learning cycle does Kahoot provide you with the greatest support? So track the image to place the pin where you personally feel that Kahoot supports you or can support you the most. Is it for preparing the lessons or other learning experiences, or is it for motivating students or creating interactive lessons? Okay, well, what I see that Kahoot can support you the most in every part of the learning cycle and teaching cycle. So you found your favorite parts in all of the different 6 sections. We have a dedicated channel for the Kahoot learning experience on our platform. So if you want to learn quickly and easily how to use these tools that we have been presenting to you in a pedagogically great ways, you can just check these courses. So these professional development courses for educators, they are highly educational, but take only 10 minutes each. So there are courses like learn how to generate Kahoots with AI in 10 minutes, learn how to create interactive lessons in 10 minutes, or learn how to use Kahoot reports in 10 minutes. So check these courses. And if you want to learn even more, join our Kahoot Certified for Schools program. We have created 3 courses, each 30 minutes long, named Bronze, Silver, Gold, for you to become the ultimate Kahoot superstar. With these courses, you'll learn how to use the best available Kahoot tools effectively. So to get certified, just go to kahoot.com/certified. And after completing each of the courses, you'll receive a diploma and a cool digital badge. And that was it. Let's now check the podium. So here we can see everyone that are in the 3rd place. And the same goes for the 2nd place. So all of you who are in the 2nd place are here. And then only 3 persons got all questions correct. And you are all in the 1st place. Excellent. So congratulations to you all. And now we are automatically back on our Kahootopia island. And here you can see all of you in a nice group celebrating this learning moment together. So congratulations all of you who participated in this. And now, last thing, let's claim our rewards. So we earned trivia stage, it's growing. Focus place got some more growing, and we got the brand new building on our island, and it is for playing this very Kahoot. So that was all from me. Thank you all.